Hello, Moondoggy here, and welcome back to Deadbolt. I'm actually really excited to get back into this. I kind of enjoyed the last game we had because it was kind of a good game, and I kind of enjoyed the struggle a little bit. So we're gonna jump right back into it and waste no time. I kind of really want to get better at killing because our last game didn't do too hot, but we was okay. The flames roared to life. Pale moonlight touched no heat, vampires flocked out. Why? Vampires, tall undead, they said to be deformed by betrayal from a lover. They are much more dangerous than zombies. I have to make sure every shot counts. Ain't that the truth? Look up your reflection, said the fireplace, and remember that you are different. You are not undead. Dancing vampires won't notice your presence unless you shoot them. Okay, I'll make a mental note of that. Let's do this. So now, we're killing vampires. A reaper, zombies, and their drugs. He comes for you. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god, that's a lot of zombies down there. Dancing zombies do not notice you unless you shoot them. Well, ouch. I saw him and I didn't react fast enough. Oh boy. Oh boy, wasting ammo. I came I had a gun. I'm so fucked. Ouch. My approach needs some work because I have no idea. Like if I go down here, ouch. One of them's on security, so how can I even consider going in there? Why would I just jump down for that one gun? She'll see me on the spot. And then if I go this way, I could. Let's see our other option. We could go up here. We got the two couples upside down. If I come up here. Okay, there goes the power. Where you going? Come on, where you going? Oh boy. Oh, thank God I escaped that. I almost died. It's a lot more than I can say. So, we need a new tactic. I want to start off on the back. Alright, here we go. I want him to come to me. Hey, big baby, come to me. Come. You big baby bastard. Oh, fuck me. I have no course of strategy here. Like, I have no course of strategy because it's like anything that I do, I'm going to get screwed. Okay, I got to back up. I got an extra gun. I have an extra gun. Maybe this would do me better. Maybe. No promises. Because I get screwed a lot, apparently. Okay, come get your bullet. I shot her. Point blank. Kill me. Kill me, guys. Just kill me. I'm terrible. We might not even get halfway because I suck like this. There's a lot of zombies down there. Zombies, vampires. We'll go with the back route like we did last time. The funniest part is I don't even know what's our mission. Like, what's even our mission here? See, killed her, but why couldn't kill the other one? I wasted all my ammo on two. Fuck. That's two. So I need one more, apparently. Yeah, regardless if people going the other way, I would have been in trouble. I can make it. I can make this. What y'all want to do? They don't want to come and investigate. Which is bad news bears on my part. Okay, he's more or less alone now. I did. Oh. Open the safe, got an envelope, money. Yep, we got our stuff, we out of here. We did it. We did it. Oh, that was hard. Of course. Well, I got 3 stars at least. Alright, let's keep going. The flames roar to life. More. So many corpses. Who forget to die? Shotgun weapons are strongest near doors. The entryways cannot react too late. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Oh boy. Alright, where we at? Right here. I see a shotgun over there. We don't want to go to the dance party if that's death. If I open that door, that'll alert them. Oh. It's blocked by a door. Nice. And where the hell y'all going? Where are you going? Calm the hell down. Y'all don't even know what the hell y'all... Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, mighty fucky. I did not see that coming. I actually did not see that coming. You can't expect your enemies to use their brains. I had to kill all of them? Oh, fuck me. Okay. I forgot she was in the other bathroom. I forgot that fast. I'm terrible. I got a sawed-off shotgun. That's not gonna do much for me. That's really not gonna do much for me. Just being really real about that. Being really real. They almost got me. They almost filleted me. Okay, let's reassess. We have to reassess because so much shit is happening. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh, no, we ain't. I got ambushed on both sides. Ain't this about a bitch? Ugh. Talk about the pain in my ass. I'm doing my best. Can a man do his best? No. Because apparently only a man can do is suck. That's what he can do. No, I need a diversion. I need a diversion. Okay, first of all, I love how I was missing her. Like, I was literally just missing all my shots. Ain't this about a bitch? Oh boy, fuck me. I didn't even know I had my shotgun equipped. I didn't even know. I thought I had my tactical ready. Going up there is not a bad idea, but it's a bad idea. Oh, these are the targets. I see. I see. Oh boy, that's bad. Look at them running like trolls. That's crazy. Y'all acting like I never killed a man before. Got him at least. Oh. Ooh, a shotgun. Come on. Come on. Open that door. Next. Next. I'll wait. I will wait. Look at him. How I'ma fight that? I can't. Wish me luck. One shot, they killed me. See, like I said, it wasn't a bad strategy, but I couldn't do nothing else. Like, after they see me, they were gonna kill me immediately. And I had no other tactic in line to counter. She was just about ready to kill me. Okay, I'm out of bullets in that gun. I do not know what to do, guys. Excuse me, I'm over here. Oh, miss, I'm over here. Okay. 6 left. 1, 2, wait a minute. I know where he is. Oh, come on! I hit up. I screwed up. That was on me. It was on me. I screwed up. What I should have done after I killed, I tried to go back, but I spaz clicked. I spaz clicked and fucked it all up. I know what to do though. I got a plan. The less of them, the better. I didn't have my gun switched. Fuck, I'm fucking up. This is gonna be a short episode because I'm just doing poorly. I'm just doing poorly. I'm literally like making the most dumbest of dumb mistakes. That took care of her. Oh, that's a problem. Oh, that's a huge problem. Are you fucking... Yeah, I usually go all the way around, but no, they decided to delay the flight. Sons of bitches. They literally screwed me on that. The plan was for them to leave, but they didn't. Oh, I'm about to say, did I get an achievement just for dying like an idiot? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I will shoot you, lady. Yeah, get shot. Oh, frick-a-dick. Oh, thank God I did not alert the war party. Because if I did... Well, that was to be expected. It turns out that I can't, like, put my gun up immediately. Which really sucks. Because if I could, I can make snappy shots, but I can't do that, so... We're gonna try to be smart about this. Okay. Now they are downstairs. Okay. Oh, come the fuck on! That's so stupid. That's so stupid. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a short episode because this is just a failure. This is a failure of epic proportion, and I don't like that. I was in the damn tub. I mean, the toilet. They cheated. Y'all saw that. Oh boy, I'm terrible. I probably died like 45 times already. I'm dealing with vampires. What the hell did you expect? See? Almost killed me. See, I will go downstairs, but if I do that, I'm gonna alert the army. I don't want to do that. I'm about to try an experiment. I shouldn't, but I'm gonna do it anyway. That would have been bad if I missed. I don't got a lot of ammo for all of you, but I will do it. You was close to the door. You should have died in one hit. Oh my fuck. Now the bullshit's kicking. Like the bullshit of it all is kicking. Like never in my life. I'm gonna try to conserve this hammer as long as I can. Okay, I'll take care of that. You fuck. Like I can't shoot fast enough, man. This is I won't let this kind of bullshit because I can't shoot fast enough. Like if the gun had like legit recoil, I could actually do something, but I can't. Takes care of that. Now, they said the dancing zombies won't bother me. Sledgehammer. Alright, we're good. What these two douchebags gonna do? Come on. Okay. Ah, shit. Wait. Got him. Alright, what's gonna happen next? It's all up to the game. Got him. Two left, two girls. But the problem is she's too far away. I'll be right back, Sledge. Got it. But how am I supposed to get her is the question. Unless I draw her. Shotgun at the ready. Take the bait. Take the bait. Oh my fucking god. She's not gonna take the bait. She's not gonna take the bait. She's literally saying, I'm dinner at this point. Fuck me in the half. Fuck. I have no choice. What? Kill all undead. Who's left? Really? Are you telling me to kill them? Are you telling me to kill them? I can't. I have no ammo. So I should have just killed them from the start. If I die, yes. Oh. I'm gone. I am gone. I'm gone. I am gone. That took 19 minutes. I died 15 times. It got 3 stars, but still. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it right here because that was a terrible fail. I got burned badly. Boy, the fire is not happy with me, but I hope y'all enjoyed watching my failure and trial and error, but eventually triumphant. So with that said, everybody, thank you all for watching. Please continue on watching. And as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.